Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look using some Pixi Beauty products. This is actually my first time using these products, so at the end of this video, I'm going to share my thoughts and opinions, so be sure to watch it all the way through. But if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep watching. I already have my foundation and concealer and all of that already done, and I will link my face routine down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check out how I do my foundation. But I'm starting off with the Summer Glow palette, and I'm using the shade Suntan for my contour. Next, I'm using the shade Sunswept for my blush, and after I apply my blush, I'm using Sunkissed for my highlighter, and after I put it on my cheekbones like I normally do my highlighter, I'm also going to add it on top of my blush as well. So I'm actually going to use the Glow palette for some of my eyeshadow as well. So right now I'm taking Subtly Sun Touched and Bare Glow, mixing those together for my transition shade. So I'm placing it right above my crease, blending up just a little bit, and I'm just going to build this until it's as dark as I want. Next, I'm using the shade Suntan. This is also what I used for my bronzer, and this is going to be my crease shade. I have to go a little bit above my natural crease since I have hooded eyes, and when I open my eyes you can't really see my crease, so I kind of have to make my own. Hopefully that makes sense. And after I build it for my crease, I'm going to also apply it to my lower lash line. I've already aligned my upper waterline with a black eyeliner. Now I'm taking that same liner and lining my lower waterline. And then I'm going to go in with the Endless Shade Stick in the shade Copper Glaze. I love how it's shaped like a crayon. It makes it really easy to apply. And I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. Next, I'm using their mascara, and this is their Large Lash Mascara in black. And to finish off the look, I'm using the Lip Lift Max Lip Gloss in the shade Sweet Nectar. Really quick, I wanted to give y'all my first impression on all of these products, but before I do, I wanted to let y'all know that Pixi Beauty did send me all of these products for free, but they are not paying me in any way. They probably have no clue I'm even doing this video. All they do is just send me the product, and of course they want me to share it, but there isn't anything written like you have to do this, you have to do that. I just personally wanted to do this video because I really like Pixi products, and I know a lot of y'all already love and use Pixi. Plus I love sharing affordable products with y'all, and Pixi is very affordable. So now that that is out of the way, I'm gonna go ahead and talk about each product, the order that I use them. So first up is the Glow palette. Here are all of the colors, and as far as using it on my face, so the bronzer, blush, highlight, it was really pigmented for that, but I did have to build it quite a bit for my eyeshadow, but it's technically made for your cheeks. But I love using bronzers and blushes for eyeshadow, and I think this one would be really pretty for an eyelid color, especially this one too. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this one, and this one are the shimmer shades for highlighters, so those would be really pretty as lid colors. Next up is the shadow stick. This is the Endless Shade Stick in the shade Copper Glaze. I absolutely love this product. This was the one that was the crayon, and I like that because I don't know if y'all could tell, but it was really easy to get it in the inner corner without getting it everywhere. And then you could also use it as a liner. Probably not this one because it's not very dark, but they also sent me this darker shade called Matte Cocoa, so you could definitely use this one for an eyeliner if you wanted to. But I like this because it was super creamy, because a lot of shadow sticks are kind of drying, so they are hard to apply and they tug on your eyes. So these do not do that. Absolutely love them. And then these also come in other colors as well, but I will link all of these products down below in the description bar in case y'all want to check them out. So the next product is the mascara. Honestly, I am not crazy about this one. It wasn't clumpy or anything, but I feel like it really didn't give a whole lot of volume, if y'all can tell. And I'm not a big fan of the brush because it's pretty big. I do like how it's tapered, so with it being a little bit smaller on the end, it was easy to get the inner corner and outer corner. But I personally love the Tarte Man-Eater mascara, and that wand is a little bit smaller. I will show y'all that kind of in comparison. So I'll go ahead and show y'all side by side. So the top one is Man-Eater, and then the bottom one is the Pixi. You can see it's a little bit fuller at the end. So I wasn't crazy about the mascara, but it wasn't bad. It just wasn't my favorite. So don't let me discourage you from trying it out, because everybody is different with mascara. I just prefer the Man-Eater. And then the last product is the lip gloss. This is their Lip Lift Max Plumping Gloss in the shade Sweet Nectar. I was honestly kind of nervous to try this because I don't normally like plumping glosses because they sting or tingle, but this one doesn't do either of those. It kind of has a cooling effect, but not bad at all. I like that it has just a hint of color. It's a really pretty coral with just a little bit of shimmer. It's not sticky at all. I hate sticky glosses, so I actually really love this product. Comes in a bunch of other colors, and yeah, I just think it looks really nice on. I don't know that it really plumped my lips up any, but I don't really care about any of that. I just think it feels nice and looks good, so that's kind of all I look for in a gloss. So I really hope that y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but let me know if y'all already use Pixi and what your favorite product is. And if you haven't used Pixi before and you want to try something out, let me know down below in the comments. But I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video.